Race Car Rally is an exciting program of fun race-related activities that enable teams to assemble race-worthy cars built for speed on special LEGO car platforms. As teams gain points through iPad challenges, they'll be rewarded with trips to our car store to obtain parts they need for the build. Metal LEGO car platforms, wheels, windshields, drivers, and more will be used by each team to build their fastest car. During vehicle construction, other team members will be decorating their driver's jumpsuit so they really look the part for the race, and create a flag with the colors for their car. To fire up team spirit and prepare their driver for competition, crew members will create and perform their very own Champions Chant.
2, 4, 6, 8, let's dominate! Woo!
Throughout the program, points are gained for originality, design, creativity, and functionality. Team iPad activities include fun car and racing trivia, photo opportunities, and video challenges that will have your teammates laughing to the finish line. Once the cars are built, teams will have access to our racetracks for timed practice runs, so they can tweak their cars for more speed before it's their turn to compete. Teams will then be assigned to a track where they race their car against other teams' cars to win a spot in the final race of the day. The top winners from each division will face off in the final heats, vying for the coveted gold medals and the title of Race Car Rally Champions.